Hello everyone, my name is Prince Daiswal. I am a student of Akshat International School, Ujjain. My mentor teacher is Pallavi Divakar ma'am. The title of my model is Tap and Invigorate EMF. The aim behind building up this model is that today in this era, we have 4 out of 5 things based on the principle of electricity. That means we need the large amount of energy for our domestic purpose, and we are all aware that we are generating our electricity by burning up the coals, and again this burning of coal is harmful to our health and as well as to our mother nature. That is, we have to shift to the way in which we can produce electricity in a very clean and affordable way. So here I have an idea. The idea is that we can use the PDT, that means the piezoelectric disc technology. This piezoelectric disc technology is based on a concept that whenever we are applying a stress or a pressure over a disc, it will generate the AC current, and this AC current needs to be converted into DC, and here we are using the 1N4007 diode to convert this by building up a bridge rectifier, and this bridge rectifier will convert this AC current into the DC current, and here we have the output of approximately 2 volts. These 2 volts of DC current needs to be stored in some type of battery, and we are using the 3.5 volt battery. To store it, we are using a module known as a charging module. This charging module will help us to charge our battery, as well as it has a jack of a USB in which we can use our cable to charge our phone. So here is this model. Whenever we are applying a stress over this, the LED is glowing as it is visible, although it is at a lower frequency. Here when we are applying stress over the disc, you can see that the electricity is produced and it is visible by that the LED is glowing. So here in the place of the LED, I had placed a box in which there is a battery and a charging module, and this will store the energy in the form. So if we want to charge our mobile or anything, we just need to place a cable over it, and our phone will be charging. So this is a one model, and I have a second model as well. So here we have another model which is a keyboard, and here in this keyboard I had placed a disc under this key, and whenever we are applying a pressure over this key, you may see that the light is glowing. That means whenever we are pressing this key, the electricity is the electricity produced, and you may see in this video. That is, by placing the disc under every key, we can generate the electricity in the large amount. Also, these are the very basic applications, and I have some more. That is, when we are applying this disc into the tire, we can also generate the electricity in the moving vehicle. A busy crowded area where we can place this piezoelectric disc of a big size under the mat or anything which is look like a tile, and whenever a person is walking over it, it will generate some pressure over that tile and it will generate the electricity, and here we have the clean and a very affordable energy. So by concluding my topic, I don't know where this technology is emerged in the India or in other places all, but just I am knowing is that I am a 11th class student and not having the much idea of electric components, but I want my India in the very clean and a very affordable energy. So here I am having the technology, and it is a very eco-friendly way to generate the electricity. So thank you very much.